Okay, so related rates, problem number 2. Okay, once again, this is going to be Ohm's law. So voltage is going to equal current multiplied by resistance. So the problem states that if the current is decreasing at 4 amps per second, so that's telling me that the current, the changing of the current with respect to time, right now it's decreasing, so that's going to be negative 4 amps per second. Okay. The resistance is increasing at 6 ohms per second. So that's telling me that the changing of the resistance with respect to time is going to, all right, so it's increasing, so we're going to have a positive change. So this is going to equal 6 ohms per second. Okay. Okay, so what is the change in the voltage? Okay, so that's what we're looking for. So we're looking for the changing of the voltage with respect to time. That's the big question that we're looking for. When the resistance is 3 ohms and the current is 5 amps. So that's telling us that the resistance is going to equal 3 ohms and the current is going to equal 5 amps. So that's all of the information that I've given inside of this problem. So now I'm going to differentiate both sides of Ohm's law. So we're going to take a derivative with respect to time of the left side and a derivative with respect to time of the right side of the problem. But notice that the current and the resistance are both changing, so we're going to have to do the product rule on this thing. So this is going to give us that dV dt, the changing of the voltage with respect to time is going to equal the changing of the current with respect to time multiplied by the resistance plus the current now multiplied by the changing of the resistance with respect to time. Okay. Now we have all of our quantities from above. Okay. So now we're just going to plug them in. So the changing of the current with respect to time was negative 4. All right, multiplied by the resistance, which is 3. And then we're going to add in the current, which is 5, multiplied by the changing of the resistance with respect to time. Okay. So this would be negative 12 and then plus 30, which would equal 18. Now this is changing the voltage with respect to time, so this is going to be volts per second. And that is our answer.